Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can get the absolute path. So absolute path is nothing but the path from the root location, right? So I have this file abc.txt at this location, OS module location, but I do not know the complete path from the beginning. So how we can find it? For that, first we need to import the OS module and then take the file name. I want to know the absolute path for abc.txt, so I have taken a variable called file. Now to get the absolute path, we can use os.path.abspath. Okay, this is the method that you can use to get the absolute path, and then we will provide the file here. And let's take it a variable absolute path, and then we will print this inside it. Right now, let's print this. So what we are doing, we are looking for the absolute path of this abc.txt file, right? So let's run this. Now you can see this is the absolute path for this abc.txt file. So let's recap this once. We want to get the location of abc.txt from the root where it is located. So it started from D and then it iterated from Learning Square to YouTube, then OS module, then abc.txt. This is the whole path of this file, right? So using this method, you can get the absolute path. Thank you.